everyone, it's Teacher Joe's son Jason, and today we're going to be making a cool volcano. This is the props that you need. First, you need a measuring cup. You also need a ruler. You can choose food coloring if you want to make a cool effect to your volcano. You need vinegar, and you need baking soda.
All of which is readily available at Costco inexpensively.
You also might want a shovel. So, first, you want to dig a small hole. You want it to be able to, you want the volcano to be able to ooze out.
So you get some big muscle work in.
Next, you got your measuring cup, and you fill it up 3 times with the baking soda. Don't put too much. Alright, now you want vinegar. This will help you explode it. And now you wait and see how far it goes. How far it can go up. So I'm going to judge it from here. It's going to be about right there. So now, we're going to make a new hole. Just as deep. Trying to make it as deep as that hole. And if I go too fast for you, you can always pause the video. Okay, now you're going to probably want to put about 4 cups of baking soda because we're going to make it a little bigger and see how much farther it goes.
What great teamwork, boys.
You also want to be accompanied by a parent doing this. I'm
Good
not a parent,
safety
by the way.
tip.
I'm too young.
All non-toxic materials, but still a good idea.
Okay, now that you have 4 spoonfuls, you want to add vinegar. And let's see how far it goes.
Nick.
So I can see where it ends because there's going to be wet marks. So it's done right about here. So from there to here, we push a hole. It seemed like it was about right here. Because if you go and do that here, and then you go here, and then here, it's a little higher. It's about right there. Well, the first one is right here. So yeah, if you want to see, if you want to get bigger ones, keep on making them. All you need is adding about 1 more cupful of baking soda each time. I hope hope you enjoy. Bye.
Hi, I'm Nick, and I'm Jason's brother. I hope you liked his volcano race experiment. But now, here's my mega volcano. I dug a deep hole in this, so I'm going to try and fill it up to the max. This is for all you extreme scientists out there.
Try to fill it up about 3/4. Like about a little bit, but not to the top.
Okay, last one.
Show them how much there. It's kind of hard to see, so they go over.
Alrighty.
Here we
That's about as much
Go.
volcano goes.
Whoa!
Look at it go!
Keep on pouring.
And no,
Pour it on.
folks, vinegar and baking soda is not the way volcanoes happen in real life.
Oh.
I hope you enjoyed our volcano experiment. Have a nice day.